Hello, EN 106 students. This is your instructor, Michael Bloomingberg. Hope the first week is treating you well. And I want to remind you that there is a syllabus video in the syllabus tab that is a separate video from this one that will walk you through the expectations for the course. This particular video that you're currently viewing is designed to help you understand what you need to be working on for the first week of the term, or in other words, Unit 1. So I'm on our Blackboard page, and the first place that you will always want to go each week is to the classroom feature in our Blackboard page. And I'm going to go ahead and do that. And as you do so, you will see that there are 4 weeks in the term and that the coursework is designed according to each week's folder. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the Week 1 folder. And the first thing you'll see is the sequence of activities. This sort of walks you through the requirements that you have in the class for this week, including the online presentations available, the required readings, the fact that you have the discussion topics that you can find in the discussions link. You have a hands-on assignment for week 1 and a quiz. You will also see the weekly objectives, which include understanding plagiarism, learning in-text citations, learning reference page citations, exploring plagiarism scenarios, and distinguishing between unintentional and intentional plagiarism. Key terms are also listed, including plagiarism, in-text citations, direct quotation, summary, paraphrase, reference page examples, and reference page citations. The required readings are all linked, and be sure to check those out. You'll find some helpful information in this area of the Week 1 folder. I'll just use the APA tip sheet, the first one, as an example, and it gives you some frequently asked questions that you can peruse along with nice guided examples. So check those out. I think you'll find them helpful. The presentations and transcripts are also helpful. There are some video presentations. I'm not going to click on those because it'll boot me out of the software I'm using to make the video. But trust me, I think you'll find it helpful. Don't forget to use the hyperlink too for the university library tour. That's pretty cool. Now, the week 1 assignment asks you to respond to the following questions using your own words and ideas. Answer each question in 50 to 150 words. And if you incorporate outside information or information from your book, please provide in-text citations and reference entries. First one is, what is the difference between intentional and unintentional plagiarism, and what are the consequences of each? 2. All work submitted for this class must be work that was originally created specifically for this class. What does that mean? And 3. What is the connection between an in-text citation and a citation for the reference page? And by the way, the rubric listed just below that is the rubric that I will use to review the quality of your work on that particular assignment. So I will include that rubric in the Grade Center at the concluding part of week 1 and the start of week 2 as I upload your scores. There is also the quiz listed down below, which you'll want to spend some time with. Now, the last place I'm going to go here is to discussions. And if you go to discussions, the first thing you'll notice is the class introduction assignment. And what I'm asking you to do is to use this forum to introduce yourself, share information such as your name, your desired area of study, and really any information you feel comfortable revealing. If you post your introduction or reply to at least 2 classmates, I will in turn reward you with an additional bonus point for the week 1 coursework. And feel free to post your reply to my introduction as well if you prefer. You're not limited in that way. And so the deadlines are listed appropriately, but just note that for the first week, Wednesday is when your individual introduction should be posted. Friday should be your first response, and Sunday should be your second response. And then the week 1 discussion is the other assignment on tap, where you're given 4 different scenarios and you are really being asked to respond to 2 of the 4 scenarios and Again, your first reply by Wednesday and your follow-up replies by Sunday. The grading rubric is presented to you too so that you understand how I will be reviewing the content for each posting. I think that's it, folks. I just wanted to touch base with you, make sure that everything makes sense. I hope you are finding these videos helpful, as I will be making more of them as the term unfolds. And again, I cannot stress enough that if you have any questions about anything, feel free to message me using the message option in our Blackboard page. I want to wish you the best of luck during week 1, and I look forward to seeing your growth as a student as the term unfolds. Take care, and again, good luck.